Hello guys, my name is Dennis, thank you for coming to my channel, and this is the video 5 of Tori, how I'm driving my Tesla Model Y 2021 long range. And now we're gonna go on the highway and I'm gonna turn it on navigating autopilot. And here we go, double tap here. And that's it, we are now on navigating autopilot. And the navigator on autopilot doing great job. Now, like this is much better visibility on the road. Beautiful weather today in New York City, much better than yesterday. Sunny, 89 Fahrenheit, perfect weather to be outside. And you see the Tesla wants to move to the middle lane, but decided to not move. I don't know. Okay, let me add a little bit more speed here. It's on the 60, let's say like that. And let's see what Tesla's gonna do. Ooh, and here is the police officer on the left side. And we're going right now 42 miles per hour, and the Tesla didn't want to move to the middle lane for some reason. I don't know. And I hope you can be able to see right now Arizona Bridge. Check. Yes, you can see that. A little bit of Arizona Bridge. The most beautiful bridge in New York State. No, the first one is Brooklyn Bridge, I think. And the second one is Arizona Bridge. Something happened with exposure on Pocket 2. Now we're gonna go to the lower level of Arizona Bridge. Let's see how Tesla gonna perform that. Let me take the steering wheel with 2 arms, because I'm scared of those turns. Ready right now to take control of the Tesla, because I don't know, now it wants to move to that lane. Okay, and now we're gonna pay easy pass here. Okay, look what he's doing, this guy in a white car. And the Tesla decided to be here on the right side, but we're gonna take the exit on the left side. Let's see how it's gonna be. And now it wants to move to the left, I mean the middle lane. Okay, you can do that. Perfect. And I think now it's gonna move to the another left. It's supposed to do. No, not yet. We'll see, we'll see. In the 0.8 miles we gotta take that exit. Yeah, because right now it's a solid line on the left side, but we need to move to that left lane. Okay, let me turn off the navigator and autopilot and do it by myself, I think, because I think Tesla not gonna do that. Yeah, let me do that by myself. Okay, and here we're gonna stop. Alright, and then I'm gonna turn on again the navigator and autopilot. And in this kind of traffic, it's very nice to have navigator and autopilot. Any autopilot, not only navigator and autopilot. Just like you can see here in the video, I didn't touch the wheel. And I didn't touch the pedals. The car doing everything by itself. Perfect! Alright guys, thank you for watching this short video about Tesla Model Y autopilot. It's a day 5 of 30. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post next video tomorrow. Thank you. Bye guys.